Hey students, let's solve one previous question of linked list data structure. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 2 question number 10. Consider an unordered list of n distinct integers. What is the minimum number of element comparison required to find an integer in the list that is not the largest in the list? And 4 options are given. Suppose we have a list given like 1, 5, 3, 10, 8, and we need to find the element which is not the largest, and it is asking what will be its running time. So simply we can take any two distinct element and the element which is smaller, that is not the largest element. For example, we can take 5 and 3. From that 3 is the smaller, so we can say 3 is not the largest. Or we can take 10 and 8. Now 8 is smaller, so we can say 8 is not the largest. So just two element comparison, that will be order of 1 time. Answer will be option A. To find the element which is not the largest in the list, select any two distinct element from the list and perform a single comparison. The smaller of the two is guaranteed that is not the maximum. Hence answer will be option A, order of 1. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.